everybody, it's Jeremiah with 3H's. You already know, and you're talking to me. I just met some Haagen-Dazs bitches. Yeah. It's like OG good.
Just like OD. Like you wanna say it's a sample right now? Like,
so can you do butter pecan and vanilla? Is this mine? Probably. Oh, this is the one. Brooklyn, yeah. You did? You like it? Oh my, you a Brooklyn bird. Girl. Like 13 minutes. That's not bad. Boarding track 3. Why does train got a board like this? I'm gonna go all day.
I know.
Excuse me. So I just got off the Jersey Transit. I'm on my way to this thing. It starts at 6:30, but they say to show up 30 minutes early.
Head east on Market Street toward Ferry Street. Then
I'm still not nervous, shockingly. I'm not nervous. I'm just ready to do it, get on it, have fun. You know? But I just wish I had somebody to come with me, but like I don't mind doing it by myself. So yeah, we're in Jersey.
In 500 feet, turn left.
It kind of looks like the city. It just looks like New York in like 1984.
Union Street, then turn right onto Market Street.
Ooh.
2,000 years later.
Well, it looks like I'm here. Look, oh my, if that's the helicopter, I will freak out. That helicopter's mad small.
In 800 feet, turn left.
I'm gonna die. This is crazy. They want me to go in this small thing? I thought it was bigger than this. Wow, thank you. How do I open this? Oh, I thought it was automatic. Thank you. I'm fucking scared. A bitch is about to go on a motherfucking helicopter. A bitch is about to go on a motherfucking helicopter. Yeah. Good and you. I'm like supposed to go on one of these. Jeremiah.
For Liberty?
Yeah.
Follow me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I didn't know these were like this small. That's scary.
What?
Yeah, those are small. Yeah. No, those aren't.
Always that only for 2 people.
Thank you.
At the left.
This way?
Yes, please. Do you want to use the right?
Hi, everybody.
Hi. Have a seat.
Do not go anywhere near the rear portion of the aircraft, where the rapidly spinning blades of the tail rotor are located. Pictures of your group will be taken just before you take off, so stand as close as you can, nose is down.
So I'm gonna be flying with 5 other people. So I'm waiting for them to get here. But so far I saw the planes, they're really small. And I'm just kind of like, bitch, can a big bitch like me like fit in that shit? I don't know. I'm about to fly. Like I still don't feel nervous. Like I feel fine. Like, ooh, but I'm sweaty as fuck. I just want to feel an adrenaline rush. I want to fucking go on that shit. I want to just feel like I accomplished something. But all will go well, you know, pray for me. I'll probably be recording when I'm on there. Hopefully I can. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm going on a fucking helicopter. Thank you. All right, here you go. Hello. Good, and you? we supposed to hear something on these headphones?
Alrighty, not yet.
I'm a little nervous now. What? We're going up. Oh my god.
Enjoy.
You too.
Beautiful.
Thanks. Have a good one. You too.
Oh, you too.
That was crazy. I had so much fun. I wasn't even scared. Like, I'm not a pussy anymore. I'm so not a pussy anymore. That view was amazing. It feels good to be that high up. It's like you're close with the gods and nature.
How was the flight?
It was fun. I liked it. You too. Oh, let me call my cab. Oh my god. That was so fun. It's just over.
Yeah, forget it.
I'm not gonna do first. Thank you. Oh, here you go. That.
Y'all niggas won't believe this shit. I'm at work making my frappuccinos like, oh, what's up, bro? It's a blackout. Y'all don't understand, it's a blackout. I can't make no more fraps. Fraps can suck this dick.